continue their warpath against recently passed farm laws. A massive clash erupted between farmers and the police personnel at the Singhu border in Delhi. Angry farmers pelted stones at police personnel, removing barricades and barbed wires, creating an absolute ruckus in the area. Police fired tear gas shells to disperse the farmers to control the situation. In fact, this comes even as the Delhi police granted their demand, permitting them to enter into the national capital. After the protest, Delhi police have allowed these farmers to stage a protest at the Nirankari ground in Burari, Delhi. Meanwhile, a massive showdown is also underway at the Shambhu border. Police fired tear gas shells, used water cannons at protesting farmers to disperse them as they were proceeding towards Delhi. This comes at a time when clashes took place yesterday as well, which was largely the police were unable to contain those clashes over the last 24 hours. Farmers there who were coming in from Haryana and Punjab were stopped right at those border areas, and the situation was seen all of today until this moment when finally farmers have been allowed to move forward towards Delhi, but still at some points friction continues. Earlier, a clash had erupted between agitating farmers and the police at Tikri border in Bahadurgarh in Haryana as farmers tried to remove barricades. Blockades have been reported in Delhi-Dehradun highway, Yamuna Express and Mumbai-Agra highway as well, currently blocked.
किसानों और पुलिस में एक बार फिर से टकराव हुआ है। आप देख सकते हैं कि जो पुलिस ने बैरिकेडिंग की थी उसके पास तक काफी तादाद में किसान यहां पर आ गए थे और पुलिस ने उनको पीछे हटाने के लिए टीयर गैस छोड़ी है। एक बार फिर से आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े हैं और यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं कि जो बैरिकेडिंग थी वो भी यहां से हटा दी गई है और ये किसान बिल्कुल पुलिस के पास में पहुंच गए हैं। आप देख सकते हैं यहां पर जो है इनको समझाने बुझाने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि किसी भी सूरत में टकराव ना हो। हालांकि ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि सरकार के साथ किसानों की बातचीत शुरू हो चुकी है और ये बातचीत किसी अंजाम पे जा सकती है, लेकिन आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि किसान लगातार अब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और पुलिस लगातार पीछे हट रही है। तस्वीरें आपको दिखा रहे हैं हम कि इनको रोकने की कोशिश की जा रही है, किसानों को रोकने की कोशिश की जा रही है, लेकिन पुलिस ये देखिए ये पुलिस पीछे हट रही है और काफी समझाया गया था किसानों को। आप देखिए कि
किसान घाट जाएंगे, संसद का घेराव करेंगे, ऐसे थोड़ा छोड़ देंगे।
So they are telling that they will घेराव Parliament House, they will go to Kisan Ghat, which is Chaudhary Charan Singh. Nabila, I want to make it a point that Charan Singh is the used to be biggest leader from this western UP Jat belt. So they are telling that they will move towards Kisan Ghat, they will घेराव Sansad, means Parliament House, and they won't be going to the Burari. So although the farmers are coming under the banner of Bharatiya Kisan Union, so these farmers are not very clear where they have to go, what they have to do, but they are moving. कहाँ जाने के लिए आप लोग?
दिल्ली जा रहे हैं। दिल्ली
रोका गया था तो आप लोगों ने कुछ बात की पुलिस से?
किससे कोई बात नहीं है, पुलिस रोक रही थी पर रुकने को हम तैयार किसान नहीं है।
तो दिल्ली में तो आपको कहा गया है कि एक ग्राउंड में बैठा दिया जाएगा, तैयार हैं बैठने के लिए?
ग्राउंड में हम ग्राउंड में बैठने नहीं लिए जा रहे हैं, हम अपना हक लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं, हम ग्राउंड में बैठने के लिए नहीं जा रहे।
तो कहा क्या है, पुलिस ने जो दिल्ली में अनुमति दी है वो कहा है कि एक मैदान में बैठ जाओ।
उसमें नहीं बैठे हम नहीं बैठ रहे, हम तो सोचे वहाँ जाएंगे, ग्राउंड में बैठने नहीं जा रहे।
So they are clearly telling that they are not going to sit at Burari. They will go to Jantar Mantar, they will go to Parliament House, they will go to Kisan Ghat, but they are not going to sit at a dharna at Burari ground, which has been designated for the farmers' protest right now by Delhi police. So they are very clear in their thoughts that they are in big numbers, and even if the police will try to block them, they are not going to be halted. They will move on. They are moving on with full enthusiasm, full power, and they are marching on towards Delhi. Alongside me, you can see the big number of farmers behind me. My camera person Ravikant Totawar is making you,
Kunal,
sending you the visuals that how the protesters are coming in big numbers.
In that case, the arrangement here has been made at the Burari area in Delhi, at the Nirankari ground in Burari. That's the arrangement, and that was the understanding that the police as well as the protesters have had, which is why permission has been given for them to march towards Delhi. But now the farmers say that they're not going to the Burari ground, they're not going to Nirankari ground. They're going to be headed either to Jantar Mantar or straight to the parliament. In that case, what's going to be the repercussion there? Are police prepared? You're looking at many of those checkpoints. Police are standing by. They're not able to control those crowds and the marching protesters. What is the next arrangement? Would you know if the police have a plan charted out as yet? Considering that the farmers are adamant that they're going to go to the parliament straight and not to the ground in Burari.
See, I am not looking at any plan B from the police side. Even it was very difficult to give permission even for the Burari ground, and now the permission for Burari has been provided to the farmers for the farmers' protest. Now, if the farmers will move towards Jantar Mantar or Parliament House, then that will be a big cause of concern. And even during the pandemic time, when COVID-19 is out of control, out of bound in Delhi, then so many of the protesters, so many of the farmers, if they are moving towards Delhi, that might be a big cause of concern, not just a law and order situation, but also a pandemic emergency kind of situation, which will make the task tough for the administration and the police as well. So this is not a normal situation in which these protesters are going towards Delhi. That's why police have told all the protesters to keep themselves in their home state. But they are not listening to anything. They are not very clear where they are going. They are just telling that we are marching towards Delhi. They are not knowing where in Delhi they will go. So all these things are now immaterial. Why, if you can say that if they will be stopped, what will be their next plan of strategy, next strategy will be. So all these things will happen when it will take place. So right now they are entering Meerut. They have left the Muzaffarnagar border. They are going towards Meerut. Hopefully, even Meerut police will try to stop them on their way. But since what we have seen here.
Right, Kunal, you're marching with them. Our reporters there on ground giving us all the minute updates as the farmers approach Delhi by foot. In fact, many of those farmers, their tractors, their trucks have been punctured. They've been blocked at those border areas. So they've set out by foot, adamant that they're going to reach Delhi, but they're quite sure that they're not going to go to the dedicated spot given to them in Burari, Delhi. They are going to head straight either to the parliament or to Jantar Mantar. It seems like the farmers here are divided on where they're going to end up. Where is the last point, the last destination that they're going to land at? There seems to be some confusion among the farmers itself, and this is the time the police are trying hard to contain the protesters who are agitating, turning angry. Tear gas shells that have been used to contain the crowds there. Now, in fact, this farmers' protest here quite clearly has taken a political turn. Many opposition party leaders there sharpening their attack on the centre over these farm laws. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh expressed concern over the government's lack of care and concern for the nation's Annadatas. He further claimed that farmers' voice cannot be muscled indefinitely and urged the centre to initiate a dialogue with Kisan unions. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, while attacking the NDA government, has said that the farm laws are for black marketeers and are illegal. Mamata Banerjee further added that the central government is snatching farmers' rights. Meanwhile, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has said that NDA government is upping its ante against its own people. Gehlot asserted the centre should indulge in dialogue with the farmers' organizations immediately, while terming the newly passed farm laws as black laws.
Modi ji and Bharatiya Janata Party are mocking the Annadata of this country. I think drunk with power, drunk with absolute arrogance. They do not consider people of this country as people who have any constitutional or civil rights. Aren't farmers being attacked? Are they criminals? And what is the use of continuous conversations when the government has no intent To listen to them, Prime Minister must announce suspension of the 3 agrarian laws, constitute a committee headed by himself, call all the farmers' union, talk to them and resolve the matter. Simple.
Now, you can't stop a person going to your capital city where parliament is and expressing their views. Why are you stopping them? Anytime you want to, and there's an agitation, people have been allowed to go there and had it. But unko rokna is going against the constitutional spirit and the spirit of freedom of speech of this country. This I do not agree with. I think the Haryana government should have just allowed them to go, and Delhi government should give them space to go and sit down and make their point of view.
This is a very unfortunate part, and I am really sorry to say this is the first time the central government wants to capture, wants to curb all the fundamental rights from all sections of people. They cannot curb the democratic rights of the farmers. फार्मर्स के लिए इन्होंने जो बिल किया है ये इलीगल है. हम इसको पूरा किसान का साथ में थी, किसान का साथ में है, किसान का साथ में रहेगा, और किसान का रैली अगर दिल्ली जाएगा हमको बुलाएगा तो हम भी उसको शामिल होंगे.
जितने दिन आंदोलन चला आप देखो कि एक भी बार कहीं पंजाब में वायलेंस नहीं हुआ. इतना पीसफुली उनका आंदोलन चला और वो पीसफुली हाईवे के ऊपर निकल के दिल्ली जाना चाहते हैं. आप अपनी कैपिटल के ऊपर जाके प्रोटेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते तो ये डेमोक्रेसी किस बात के लिए? एक पीसफुल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए अगर कोई अपनी स्टेट से चलकर दिल्ली जाता है तो गुनाह क्या है?
किसानों से किसी को हमें शिकायत नहीं है, हमारी सरकार को भी शिकायत नहीं है. शिकायत उन लोगों से है जिन्हें कहाँ से कृषि नहीं मालूम, कहाँ से खेती नहीं मालूम, कहाँ से फसल की जानकारी नहीं है. वो आज जो ऐसे अज्ञानी लोग जो है वो किसानों के हितों पर जो है वो अपना ज्ञान झाड़ रहे हैं. हमारे अन्नदाता की खुशहाली इस सरकार की प्राथमिकता थी और प्राथमिकता रहेगी.
We're cutting across to Sanjay Sharma live, joining us from the Tikri border area. Sanjay, take us through the scenes that you witnessed there. Are farmers set out by foot? Are they adamant that they're going to Delhi but not to the Burari ground, instead possibly to Jantar Mantar or the parliament? Where are they going? Do they have an idea?
They are still here. Some tractors have gone through the Delhi side, but after 1 hour, they came back here and joined the procession there. And the farmers are still there. I think they have commanded by their leaders to stay here, not to go to Burari ground. And we have talked to them and they said they will stay here till their leaders will give command to what to do. So all tractors, they went there, entered in Delhi territory, and now they have came back here, and all farmers are still here. They are saying when our leaders will tell us new command, then we will follow us. We will not follow the Delhi government or Delhi police advisory. We are not going to Burari ground or any other where our leader will say, then we will follow their command. You can see the police and the paramilitary forces are coming back. They are actually, the shift is over and new Nafri is deployed there, and from morning to evening they were there, and now new force is coming to join them.
Right.
Yes,
Sanjay,
Nabila.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details. But one thing is clear, that the farmers are adamant that they will head towards Delhi and claim their right. They believe that the farm laws are anti-farmers and they want their minimum support price to be promised, and promised in terms of the government amending the law to suit their demand. Here, farmers there continuing their march towards Delhi, but many of them still undecided on where did they want to land up. Do they want to go to Burari? Do they want to go to Jantar Mantar? Or do they want to head towards the parliament? Clearly no permission to gather around the parliament. The police there given permission at the Burari ground, but they're unwilling. More likely the farmers want to head towards Jantar Mantar. Will they get permission or not remains to be seen.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.